To turn off your location on Google Chrome. Now that's I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. The very first thing you have to do is click on these three dots in the top right corner and then click on the settings, and here you can see the site settings. You have to find the site settings and click on the site settings, and when you click on the site settings you have to click on the location, as you can see. And then when you come to this page, here you can see I have enabled the location for the Google Chrome, and it is also saying ask before allowing sites to know your location. So if you want to disable your account, disable your location on the Google Chrome, click on this blue icon and then it is disabled. And if you want to enable, click on this. And so that's basically it, that how you can turn off your location on Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, so subscribe to my channel and leave a like and let me know in the comments that this video is helpful to you. Have a good day.